everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am with El Tóxico. I'm just kidding. Okay, I'm with Guerito 17.
First of all, 18. Hey, 17. Good, Rosa, aquí andamos. Welcome back to Jasmine and Tobago's channel.
Today we're going to be doing a how to dance video, aunque no sepamos. And we're going to be announcing the winners to my 10K giveaway on here, so stay tuned for that.
Yes. Don't come at me because I'm not a good dancer. I just do what I do for a living. I don't practice. I don't do this and that. When I dance. I try to learn new things as I go. She knows it. I keep my stuff while we're dancing. She kind of like throws a little buzz at it, but just kidding. But we're just gonna try to teach, have a little fun with this, and just go on from here.
He practices every day.
Hey, you're hella funny. Yeah. Alright. Basics of how to dance to banda. I mean, it's not really that hard, maybe because I already know, but when I first started, it was a little hard. Got used to it and this and that. But, I mean, for basics, all you have to do is really know how to move your knees and your hips. That's like the main key right there. Because if te destanteas un poco, you'll be a little stiff or you're feeling uncomfortable here and there. So, but it's just all on your knees and your hips. And on turns also, I do both, but lately I've been preferring my right side due to who knows what. I used to always spin left. My old videos that I have posted out there and been posted, you can see that. Now, I don't know.
Okay, so getting started with step number 1. The little
basic. So just practice this on yourself. That's what I've done a couple times when I was first trying to get in the groove. It's really just your leg, your knee, and your hip. Upper body could be stiff at first, just you have to manage it throughout the way you dance and how you get comfortable with yourself. But I mean, it's just a little repetitive step as I do. Just with the song of the beat, you know, you go faster due to whatever it is, but you base off from there. A little example would be like this. You just go 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Then you just add a little more to it as you go side to side. You just turn here and there. So, but like I said, practices on your own, con la escoba, con la mamá, con lo que sea, and just get the groove of it.
For girls, you just want to follow the guy wherever he goes and move like your hips with it. So come on.
So why don't you hold it?
And pretty much all the guys dance the same. The little 1 step forward, 1 step back, 1 step forward, 1 step back. 2, 2, 2. And yeah, you just like pretty much bounce and wherever they go. And always keep your knees loose because they be like dropping and doing crazy stuff. So yes. So now, how do you do spins?
Spins, preferably whichever side you're able to go to. I've seen the good guys dance, go left and right. People stick to one side, people go to the left. Either or, how people can spin. But I mean, for me, to go to my right side, if you play basketball, I use my right leg as a pivot, where you just turn and you stay on it, which would be something like this. When you're turning, my right always just stays back to the ground, and I just be spinning. My left, for some reason, it's not the same. I turn left, I do the little dip with it, and I go I'm more open to it than my right. My right, I'm like more close to my left.
Wait, try the left?
That's what I'm gonna do.
Oh.
See, I just, as you can see there, when I turn, I do a little dip, but I'm wider with my turn. And if I'm looking right, just my style of dancing, that's how I do it. I got used to it, she's used to it now. When I dance with other people, I've noticed where they kind of like are either are stiff on one of the turns because they're not used to it. But that's how I got used to it, and that's how I do it. For the girls?
A lot of people go that way, which I was used to him at first, and then he started doing the other way, and then I was like flying off the ground, but I got used to it now. It would look like this, like, look at that. Sometimes I still can't get it. I would just like drag, and he'd be like, "Where are you going?" And then I get dizzy like right now.
What do you do for the spins when you're getting used to it? Like beginners or something for not to be scared of the spins, stiff or anything?
Well, when I used to dance with Marlene, it was just like basic, like spins. Like I would always be like the guy though, so I wouldn't really know how to like.
But you're letting you're the lead. You just know how you spin.
What?
Oh, you're all funny. What do you want to do?
Make sure it comes like this. Wait, no.
You're gonna be the guy?
Yeah.
There you go.
No.
I can't follow.
Yeah, follow me.
Oh.
And then we would just go like this.
You're hella fun. Another thing on spins that I personally learned, follow someone else that a lot of people may know him. Pretty much they know him and subscribe to his channel. It was a little video I saw of his. He got me through it and I followed it, and that's what actually helped me a lot on the spins. And what he was referring to is when you spin, slide your left and your hip is like follows. Practice that as simple as this. You just dip, and when you turn your hip and your leg just follow and be parallel next to your other foot as you're spinning. His name is David McDray. He did a little video like this, how to dance banda, and that's where I got the little tip from. I followed him myself, and from there, my spins became a little better. Not the best. There's other people out there I can name which are way better. For girls, what's a little tip you would give for girls on turns? I feel like this is myself.
So for girls when turning, huh? I feel like you pretty much just follow the guy wherever he goes, and then just try to be loose because I know I'm supposed to. Wait, do that little thing again?
Like this?
The little bit.
I like this.
Oh yeah, for that one, you just don't break your what's it called? Your ankle.
Oh.
For that one, you just like twist your foot. No, not twist your foot. What's it called? Slide, and then you go in there. But the guy has to be strong too, or else like you guys will both fall in there.
Puro gordura aquí, mija.
And then for spins, just I like jumping because like it makes it easier to spin, or else my feet will drag. So I have to like hop so I could be into the next. If that makes sense, like this. Wait, let me see.
So with this, right? Like this?
Yeah. Yeah, I learned I need to hop. If not, if I do it like with my feet dragging on the ground, I will fly and then he'll just end up carrying me. So I think we covered everything. The little basics
Little
there.
basics. Just get the groove, knees and hips when you're dancing. Your turns, I mean, that's my personal way of turning. Everyone has their own. Just practice even slow with the pillow or so. Just your turns. Could be with your las cuando te pone tu mamá a barrer, cuando la vieja te pone de mano y limpia los trastes y limpia la cocina. Then questions on top. What else? Your mom, primas, whatever here and so. Just practice, get the little grooves, feel comfortable with your own step. Everyone dances different. Just because one person dances like this and like that, you're like, oh, let me try that. If it doesn't work out the first time, a couple times, don't be mad at yourself, because just because you can't do it the first time doesn't mean you're gonna fail. Always keep trying. It's gonna come to you one day, and it's just gonna, or even create your own step. A lot of people have created their own steps and have become done a little movement with that. So it's just how you get comfortable with yourself, and from there on, you'll have people dance with the light.
And keep asking people to dance with you, even if they say no.
Oh, en la quebrada. People want to learn that.
Oh yeah.
On the quebrada part, people have asked me how have I learned how to do it, when to do it, when's the perfect time, and it's all on you due to knowing the song, knowing the beat, and when the beat changes and when it speeds up, when it slows down. So like El Tarasco, for example, that one has a slow, then it goes fast for a bit, and then goes back, it transitions. If you know your music, you know your sones, your románticas, your corridos, your rancheras, etc. If you know your songs and know the timing of what's going to happen next, that's a good key on dancing, because you know what's coming up and how to transition, and it's going to make your dancing much better, especially if you do videos where you're going to see that. And a lot of people recognize that, where they know that you know how to do a little transition, and it's a big factor in your videos. Like for me, I'm always listening to She, Price and Nueve. I'm always listening to tamborazos, to rancheras, pura banda, you know. And then that's where a lot of it came through, which I learned like immediately. And that's where, like, when we go out to parties, like I know when the beat's gonna hit, la tambora's gonna hit, las torrelas, la tuba, and shit like that. But for example, like when it's a beat, a lot of people do it different times, which is okay. Doesn't really matter, just my preference. I like doing it when it's like about a beat. The beat from La Banda is gonna end to like where the tamborazo is gonna hit, and I drop her, and then we do a little spin. That's my preference. Everyone does it different, which is perfectly fine. Everyone has their own styles of dancing. But something like this is what I do. When it's like towards like the end of something, I'm just like, I do a little break, and as when the tambora hit, drop her, and I always turn. That's one thing I always do. And if you dance with me, you would know it. Pero that's how the quebrada usually works, is just knowing your song, knowing the tone, and when to hit it and when not to hit it. But I mean, everyone has their own preference of doing it, so no, what's that word? No.
No judging?
Yeah, no judgments. Everyone has their own style, perfectly fine. People talk shit like they always do. Let them be. You do you. Learn your own stuff, and you'll do good.
Alright, so I think everything is covered. Basically, the little step, basic step, back and forth, and then spinning for the girls. And then what else? La quebrada, just like,
I
but
mean,
have your knees always loose, because you don't want to like be aggressive. And then I think that's it, right? I was thinking about making a tango one, but I don't even know how to dance that fully yet. So just banda for now, and then once I get better at papangos, we'll probably do a papango one. But
love me too.
you already know how.
Fuck no. I would.
But yes, that was it to this video. I'm trying to keep it short because I have a giveaway to do at the end. But I hope you guys liked it, and I feel like I'm not even smiling because I can't see myself. It's like so far away. I'm like looking confused all over there. And yeah. Alright, so now time for the 10K giveaway. Ew, that was early. Alright, hopefully it saved because earlier. Did it? Yes, it's right here. Earlier it deleted and I had so many names in there and I was so mad. I was like, I'm better not do anymore. Alrighty, so I'm using spin the wheel app. I added everybody's name in there. Thank you to everyone who entered. Okay, so should I do 3, 2, 1 or 1, 2, 3? No, first winner gets to choose, right?
Yeah. So
okay.
Hold
on. Alright, so the way I'm going to do it is the first winner gets to DM me and message me what prize they want. And then the second will message me, and then the third one. So first winner will have first choice. And if the winner doesn't DM me, then I will choose another winner tomorrow. But I'm pretty sure everyone's gonna message me. Alright. So wait, but we have to go close. Alrighty, wait, hold on. Wait, I don't even know how this works. I just spin it. Wait, hold on, that was hella slow. Alright, so Mireya messaged me first. And then, okay, so how do I choose the next one?
You just run it again.
Okay, so I'm gonna screenshot this, that way I have it. Okay, so second one. Arlene P. Oh, Queen Bee Pipes. I know who you are.
Oh shit.
Ah.
Fail.
Okay, so the third one.
Ah. Why did you screenshot it?
Okay, that was a fail. Okay, so the third one. Choncho.
My boy Choncho.
Alright, so Mireya messaged me first. What prize do you want? Then Arlen, you can message me, and then Choncho, you're gonna get either. I'm pretty sure you're gonna get either the Dutch or Starbucks or the Puro Bailando shirt. So, congratulations to you three, and thank you to everyone who entered. Alright, so that is it for my giveaway. I hope you guys like this video, and I will be doing a lot more videos like this soon. Babe, stop watching. Make sure you guys follow me on social media. I will have them down below, and make sure to subscribe.
Something I'm just like everything right when the.
You want me to like present you? Or what? Does this look okay or should I take it off? Okay, well, come in.
Wait, so you're gonna call me or you just want me to walk in?
I want to go over there and see what's cooking.
For where? Fine. Because it's level. Like, I'll be another giveaway.
Babe. Shh.
Ah.